In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to open oven door hinges so you can fit your oven door. You may find that the hinges close when you remove the oven doors for cleaning and maintenance. When opening the hinge, it is important to not place your fingers under the door hinge. We recommend having a second person available to help if the hinge is firmly in position. To open the hinges, start by laying the oven door on a flat and stable surface. Place a towel or cloth between the hinge and the oven door. Use a flathead screwdriver to lever the hinge upwards. Next, place the cloth or towel on the top of the hinge and firmly push the hinge backwards. Whilst holding the hinge open, use your flathead screwdriver to push the locking clip down. Repeat this process on both sides so the hinges are fully open. You can now fit the oven door. If you need more information on how to do this, please watch our full video. If you are unable to open the hinge, please visit argos-support.co.uk for further support. Your oven is now ready to use.